Yeah, the 2 aircrafts and Echo Ghana. Now, that 2 aircraft, aircraft Bakubia Befa 342. Now, there are 2 changes. First flight, Ebefiha 1:30 area on Saturday.
God bless.
First flight, Befi Kromha 1:30 area from OR Tambo. The names now, Omubaya 342 first plane, no. Ebe High Commission, your social media handles. Obia Congress and Idi Wahwa. If you see your name there, that means say Saturday 4 a.m. Ahumachi, you should be here. Sisi, I agree with airline say Onipa biya befa bag mienu. Each batch will be 23 kg. Bags mienu. Oba 2 years old, 1 year old, or a passenger. It's your no bag bear bag mienu, but it should be 23 kgs each. Ebi amube feel say ye bear den and I don't say 23 kg. Ya talk scale na ba betua. There was 6 different scales. Oh, your body now got na bus no Marco airport. I be weigh bag no. And so now they are 2 kind. If it is more than 23 kg, no, you be ma weigh nyamani be to answer na wako because your person numbers no go high more than the luggages. Nyameka na yate say. Yes, Remopa, let's work on the luggages. To me, in fact, bag bakumba mechanic say 46. No, separate bags, 23 each. That is for Saturday. For Saturday for no. I've told you say Muba Beduha by 4 a.m. Okay. Ahumache. Now you process mo. Na film akwa do airport. Inti Saturday flight na be free OR Tambo area 1:30 area. We are not going to be able to say first badge now. You could do airport aye nim near. This time around no, we'll be straight. It's Uber to with your bag. We measure, we tell you the car to be in, and then we all go to the airport. Patron Matthias here. Now, the second group no be here Sunday. It is Sunday for no qua, Saturday for no qua, now Sunday for no akonese because Home Affairs for no say numbers no 342 times 2 no a dose dodo for them to do one time. Nti yama ba kunko Saturday na flight ne ba so ensanko Sunday. Sunday the no yebefi Chrome ha 5 a.m. Is that correct? Ahumachi. Sunday 5 a.m. Ahumachi na flight ne be fi ha akọ Ghana. Nti se o was a flight no so for Sunday so be do High Commission ha 11 anajo of Saturday. 11 anajo of Saturday. The better your website so you understand. We'll do translations as well and disseminate the information. So if you are living on Saturday, you have to be on Sunday. You have to be here at 11 p.m. on Saturday so that we go through the processes. Aka luggage, Nkofo more mbano so no was you could do airport now. The waiting hours is a bit long. Into your market and say we can come with snacks and some drinks so that whilst we are waiting, almost allow say we should have those snacks and drinks. So we arrange for those ones. Don't be too worried about food. When you get on the flight as well, there's enough food for everybody. But because of the children and all of us, we'll bring some snacks and some drinks for everybody. But we need to comport ourselves when we get to the airport. Your best so you listen to what your leaders will tell you so that we'll be able to go through the process very, very smoothly. Now, in more mbano, you say you only have a document they call proof of birth, Beboa. Yes. Make sure you come with copies of the proof of birth. Anybody traveling with a child, make sure you come with a copy of the proof of birth. If you don't come with it, you are not going. Or the hospital book, proof of birth, or the hospital book. Come with it. Your friend weighing can't. Monfambra, before we board the flight or before you sit in the bus, we'll check those things before you go. Those of you who are your other partners are not traveling with you, you have to come with something they call consent letter. let your husband or your wife sign those consent letters. Is that men jani e wo fie ya ye wa ha de but ye ba ko do no ebia na ye pentem nia ukra no will use it quickly without waiting for the others to come. All of you traveling with kids, make sure say you come with the consent forms if they are not your children. Much as any no, and last year could do airport 3 people on one corner. They came with children and your mobile. When they got there, they say, oh, Mr. Staba, oh, Minuaba, they won't allow you. We can say everything, they will not allow you. So instead of saying, what will happen is that you, the parents, or whoever you are traveling with the kids, you also have to stay back. Now, this time, 342 na so make sure you follow these things.